Basta para sa bayan ng laban, walang atrasa. Some of the highlights in set number 1 brought to you by Smart Live More. Chicky Roa Puno, kasama po ako, James Velasquez delivering the game. Set number 1, excellent play para din sa Team Pilipinas.
Great distribution. It was nice to see, like we mentioned, no? Talaga, nagpakita hinang si Alyssa. We saw her bumulusok siya early in the game. Naging medyo tahimik towards the end, pero not to worry because Lindy Santiago Manabat and her sister Jaja naman showed off what they knew they could do because of that height advantage as well. We saw a lot of, or a few threatening offensive blocks from the other side. Nagpakita sila noon. And of course, the very good coverage sa depensa, challenging a lot of our offensive plays. And the service errors is what struck me in the first set. We had a couple of those on our side na sana ay hindi na natin makita for set number 2.
Parang by my count, Chicky, nakabilang akong 3 o 4 yata na service errors on our part. So definitely one of the things that we have to adjust, and more of the game in just a moment.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and text, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Alyssa Valdez, Denden Lazaro, Rachel Dacus and the rest of Team Pilipinas looking to take the fight to Ben Shunting and the rest of Team Malaysia. Dito sa ating second set, about to start. Jovelyn Gonzaga, the bionic guapa, our team captain. Rachel Landakis, obviously one of the prettiest arm swings in Philippine volleyball.
Arm swing lang
showcasing
ba
that.
pretty?
Lahat. Yung mga
Yan
basta
naman.
volleyballistang Pinay, maganda talaga. Punta ka, Chikim, ng Superliga, ay naku.
Ay, oo.
Ay naku. Lalo na
Talaga
yung,
naman.
yung ambassadress ng Superliga, Cha Cruz, pag nakita mo yun. Sina Melissa Guhing, pag nakita mo yun.
Ay, kilala ko yung mga yan.
Oo.
At syempre sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, we're glad to have you. I know that you wanted to see the action yesterday. Let us take the opportunity to apologize again to all of you, to all of us who are really talaga namang nasabik kahapon dahil hindi po tayo napadalan ng feed ng ating host broadcaster. Lahat po tayo galit na galit, pero we're coming back with a vengeance. Nakuha na natin ang first set. James, quite handily against Malaysia.
Jaja Santiago with the tip and gets the finish.
And nice smile there by Jaja Santiago, the youngest player on the team.
The smart hitting.
Oo, talagang, yes. It's a combination of the, narigaluhan siya ng magandang height, but also a very smart player at the front there. And all of this exposure, international exposure, really helping, really shining through.
Here's Dakis. Her attack slowed down by the block. Good coverage by Malaysia. The tip, they find the donut hole.
Doon. Kitang-kita yung butas doon. And I know the Philippines will adjust to that. That's something naman they do well. Then Lazaro is very dependable pagdating sa coverage in the back. Hindi niya palalagpasin uli yan. Anticipate na nila yan next time. Kita naman natin na talagang both si Denden at saka si Jovelyn Gonzaga really trying to save that ball.
Combination play, and Gonzaga puts it
Perfect.
down.
Yan ang magandang jump set spike. Si Gonzaga, as if saying, teka, I will make up for that. And it's such an advantage to have a lefty like Gonzaga there on the court. Kasi, as we know in volleyball, mas mahirap basahin yung kaliwete. Kita mo naman talagang tusok na tusok.
Tumutupi sa ere.
Ayun, no?
Ito si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Jaja Santiago serves it up. 3-1. Wala natin sa second set.
Naku,
Oh, what a
sayang
break.
yun. Oo, sayang yun because alanganin yung set ng Malaysia but they're able to make do. Ayun, they just tipped the ball over, found another hole again there. Medyo yung ating zone 3 doon, medyo nabubutas sa depensa, no?
Here's Dakis.
Of course, Dak is just as quickly getting the point back. And Philippines still ahead here. Hindi pa tayo nadedehado all throughout. Since we started this matchup against Malaysia, we have always been ahead. Hope to keep it that way.
And constant communication, tulad ng ginagawa ng koponan ngayon, is going to be important. For serving 2. And Malaysia will score!
Malaysia is figuring out na medyo kinakapos tayo na yung toward the front, the coverage underneath the blocks is a little bit wanting right now. Of course, anticipating Malaysia also being smart and thinking ahead of us. Pag makita naman nila na we will na-adjust tayo, pupunta naman sila sa likod.
It's a 1-point advantage. Valdez from the back row!
There you go. That's something that Coach Roger Garayev said that they were really working on to get the spikes from the back row dahil yan ang kailangan mo against especially the taller players, no, the taller teams. Vietnam is definitely going to be a force to reckon with on Saturday when we meet them. Dahil matangkad ang Vietnam.
Combination play para sa Malaysia. The dive by Valdez, running attack, Manabat, goes long.
We're hoping that was off the tip, pero hindi binigay sa Malaysia ang puntos, 5-4. This is a more closely contested set here as we see Malaysia really fighting, showing off their offense this time. They're scoring a lot off of the dinks and the mga short hits, no?
Valdez over the defense. Good save by Malaysia.
And Nakito doon. Somebody was caught at the net.
A lifting violation. Kailangan linisin natin yung floor coverage dito, Chicky.
Yes, and still the Philippines with the lead. Dindin Santiago Manabat silenced a little bit after we saw her score a couple there in the first set.
Good read by Malaysia, just letting it sail out of bounds.
And it's crucial now to really eradicate those service errors. We don't want to give up not even a set here against Malaysia. Bilang moral booster, ahead of our matchup against Vietnam, yun ang pinakamahirap na kakalabanin natin in this grouping.
Nagawa ng paraan ni Dakis.
That's an easy one. Almost a freebie for Malaysia. They get another chance here. Blue ball.
Combination for Valdez! She rises and baptizes. And that ultra-fast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Great eyes there by Alyssa Valdez. The advantage talaga of having yung ganun kataas lumundag and you have that hang time, talagang you can pretty much case the area and see where the hole is, and she found it in the backcourt of Malaysia.
Service brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Nice double block there. Finally scoring.
At pati si Jovelyn Gonzaga nakikisama sa block party. The block brought to you by Smart. Live more. And heading to the first technical timeout, Philippines still with the lead. Action continues dito sa 28th Southeast Asian Games. You're watching Pilipinas kontra sa Malaysia, and this service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Gia Morado, the smiling assassin from Ateneo de Manila, on deck.
Ace for Gia Morado, trying to score one in the first set, and great versatility shown off here by her very young setter. Talagang this is really somebody to watch out for. Mahaba pang karir nito sa volleyball si Gia Morado.
Morado again attacking from the service line. Chance ball. Combination play. Gonzaga gets blocked.
And this is something that Malaysia, it was keeping secret in the first set.
That block brought to you by Smart. Live more. Look Tek Eng. Saying no ID, no entry dito sa atake ng Pilipinas. 6-9 in set number 2.
Still the Philippines with the lead here, but we want to see more of our offensive plays being executed properly. That was an unforced error there, regalo para sa Malaysia. We're gonna have a couple of those. Hindi naman mawawala yon, but we cannot have too many, and nakikita natin na medyo nalalapit ng score dito. So we need the Philippines to regroup and to really execute those offensive plays.
Fortunately, para sa Pilipinas, Malaysia committing a service error. Dapat may kote ito sa ganung attack or anong error.
Yung mga unforced errors na gano'n.
Nakadalawa ka na, tama na. Dapat may ganun ka.
That time it was to Jovelyn Gonzaga, and we know why Gia Morado likes to go to our lefty at the court, because she can be really very dangerous with her offense.
And look at the dangerous Dakis put it down. Another ultra-fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Almost as if trying to make up for her silence from yesterday's match against Indonesia. Hindi masyado nagpakita si Rachel Dakis noon. At ngayon, eto na.
Alyssa Valdez with the service. Two-time UAAP MVP. Oh, excellent play para sa Malaysia.
Although the point was given, yep, that's right. Malaysia is really just right there behind the Philippines. Hindi pa sila lumalamang, pero they're really fighting tooth and nail in the second set.
Again, nipping at our heels. Dakis winds it up. And again, she will score. Rachel Landakis, another ultra-fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
One more time on that. You didn't see it from the angle that we have here sa ating telecast. Tusok na tusok at pasok na pasok. Great down the line there by Rachel Dakis.
Service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Nakita natin to sa camera natin, our Sports 5 cameraman, si Big Boy.
Working hard in Singapore. Alright, a chance for...
Oy, ganda na paraan. Buhay pa rin.
Free ball again for one-handed set there.
A little sloppy in this rally.
From behind the attack line. And Eliza Valdez a little off there. It was still yes, she couldn't get the rhythm. Javi Maranyo now coming in for the first time for Dindin Santiago Manabat. Ito naman.
Beast mode, don't
kung
care.
veterano.
The BMDC ready to be unleashed
Ayun, no?
dito sa Malaysia. If you want energy, effort, you dial number 8.
Yan ang kung ikaw nasa Malaysia, matakot ka. Very intense to si Abby. And she could be kung Saywar pag-uusapan.
Sayang, trademark Abby Maranyo running attack na
running
dapat.
attack. Kaya mo, medyo malamig pa, kapapasok pa lang. Of course, we expect a lot from her at the block also. Very efficient middle blocker, Abby Maranyo.
We'll talk about the blocking again of Malaysia. Now, mas may pangil na sila sa
Meron.
net.
At saka they gained confident. They scored a couple of offensive blocks early on. That's why they'll keep doing it. Nahanapan ng butas at the front court before the 10-foot line. And
Oh!
there we go. Jovelyn Gonzaga again, killing it.
The go-to girl, the ultra-fast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
And this is a nice thing that we're seeing. Nakikita natin si Eliza Valdez, who we know is the go-to player for Team Pilipinas, has not been showing up these past couple of minutes. Pero ito naman, pinupuno naman ng ibang mga teammates niya yung kailangan natin sa offense.
Maranyo, Dakis protecting the net. They did so for Petron. And that attack not over. Puntos para sa Pilipinas. 4 ating naman.